retains moisture and forms a gel-like substance when cooked in hot water or steamed, but especially that particular, what they call sticky rice. So it's about, the type of rice, but also, like she was saying, like the type of rice has more of that in it, I guess.
Yeah, right.
That's neat.
That probably what makes it soy instead of cum. Now I know with cum, it's not cum until you cook it. It's soy cum. It's soy. Is it after you cook it or before?
So it's another kind. Another kind.
Right, two different kinds.
Yeah. So it's sticky rice. But cum is normal rice, like rice noodle.
Like rice and rice noodles.
With a big bowl and white color is the cum. It's cum.
That's cum.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Vietnamese Spanish.
But when I go to the store and I ask for cum, they don't know what I'm talking about because it's not cum when it's in the bag.
Yeah.
What do you call it when?
The bowl.
Yeah, your bowl. You've already cooked it. It's cum.
Yeah.
When you're in the grocery store or the market, what do you call it?
Cum, I think in the street market have no cum.
Right.
Normally it's soup and rice noodle.
But if you want to buy a bag of rice, what do you ask?
Cum bin.
Cum bin zan.
Yeah, cum like for everyone like eat in lunch and dinner.
Yeah.
But for normally not too much expensive or also not too much cheap. It's for everyone.
I see. Erica, did you check your messages? Are you looking at your messages?
Oh, hold on.
Okay, so I just note for you the name of your teacher today with the English, also the address for every destination.
Oh, nice.
If you want to come back with your breakfast in restaurant or cha everywhere, you can take a picture of them if you want.
Oh, you want me to take a picture of it? Okay. Can I put it on the screen?
Oh.
Can I do that?
You can take a picture instead of make a video.
Okay.
It's easier. And then because you use WhatsApp.
Yeah. Do you have me on WhatsApp?
I have your contact. Can I connect with you?
Okay. Let me try. Erica, you can say the words. I just didn't want to, Okay, I'll just never mind. I'll look.
Oh, I don't know why I'm typing it like anybody else can.
Like your smiling.
Oh, it says it's common to give 5 to 10% of total tour cost. So I would do 10%.
Okay. We should mention the tour. This was the basic walking tour, and it cost $20 or about 500,000 Vietnam dong.
Yeah, exactly. For group.
If you're in a group, right.
Yeah.
If you want a private tour like I got, then you need to pay more. I just happened to, none of the other groups showed up. So I was the only one for my group tour. Oh. So it ended up being a private tour.
Oh, should you give her $5 since it was an impromptu private one? That was really good. Like, since it's 20, that's 25%. If it was $5, so if you gave her 25.
Okay, Erica, let me switch over to what contact really quick. Okay. If I can figure out how that's done.
WhatsApp or
well, I'm on WhatsApp more than anything else. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I'm also on Zallo. I guess I could have said that. But we'll probably, advertise you. I'll save you. Good. All right, good. Now you can send me that list if you will, and I'll put it on YouTube. Let people know what they're going to see.
Do you have the channel on YouTube?
I do, yes.
Oh, really? I can find it. What is your channel?
There we go. I'll type it in. I wish people would use swipe. Okay. That's it. Okay. That's the channel.
Oh, okay. Really fun. Okay, you just have one. Okay, we're long. So your video here.
Well, we have a lot. I don't know if it's nice. We're trying to improve.
Oh, it took like
Yeah.
Oh my God! Forewarn her about the horrible things I say about the United States.
And looking for your video.
Yeah. All right. I'll post this soon. I'll edit this one, but we'll probably actually do next week's day tours before I post this.
Yeah.
So I'll post those first, and then we'll see some of these.
So how long will you be in
I mean, my contract goes till May. So, yeah.
Okay, I will see you again in the Hanoi if I have the time or opportunity.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Goodbye. All right.
Thank you for your watching. Welcome to Hanoi Street Food Tour also Hanoi. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
All right. Very good. Erica, you want to say anything before we cut the feed?
Oh, no, just tell her thank you. She was wonderful.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right,
Yeah.
Erica, we will edit the rest of this later, and you can stay on, and we'll keep chatting after we're finished. I still got a little battery left.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye, everybody. See you next time.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
personer som tar över. Jag är